What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. Today's public service announcement is that the 14-inch brushless fan holders are live over on warperformance.com. So if you would like to get your hands on one of these, jump in on the pre-order. We have pre-orders going for the next week or two while we get the orders placed. The Laser House cuts these out, and then yours truly can weld them up, and then we'll ship them out to you. The advantage of pre-ordering is you get a slight discount off of the price. Once they go live and they're in stock and we are shipping, the price will bump up to reflect the regular price on it. So if you know you want one of these, you know what you're looking at, get your pre-order in. We appreciate it. We'll get you the first ones as they come off the bench, and I deliver them over to War so they can get them to you. And if you're not familiar with this, let me show you what this is real quick and give you a better idea of why you might actually want this on your hot rod. So this is a 14 inches, a little over 14 inches. We have all the specs and everything on the website, and it is an aluminum shroud essentially for a brushless OE grade fan. So it's an unconventional shape you can see here that captures the fan motor and holds the fan. And what this does, this allows you to put an OE grade brushless fan into your hot rod or car of choice. You attach this to a shroud of your choice, and this allows you to bolt it in. No more pesky plastic, no more ugly plastic. This will replace that. And we give you all of the hardware necessary to bolt it in here and to bolt it to your shroud. And we give you a flying lead with the proper connection so you can wire this thing in and get you guys all running. So this one is a prototype, however. You'll notice that the material is second rate because this is all stuff that my boys over at Fireblast had laying around to make me my prototypes. Make sure everything fits and works properly. And then on the finished version, we are going to have the Burndown name lasered into the arms as per usual. But again, this was a prototype to make sure everything worked, all the clearances, tolerances, everything was good. And now that it is, that is it. So we are live over there for pre-orders. Go get yours today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Again, the fan part numbers and all of that stuff are over on War if you're curious about that. This fan is actually a little cheaper than the Silverado 15-inch fan that we also offer, and it's definitely cheaper than 19 because the 19 is like the king of the mountain, king of the hill, but you're going to pay for it. So this might be a good budget-friendly option to get you into a brushless fan if you've been waiting, and because of the smaller size, it should fit more applications. And some, it might even fit a dual application. We haven't measured, but if you have a nice wide truck radiator, this may be the ticket for that as well. So again, head on over to warperformance.com, check it out. Leave us any questions, comments, concerns. You can reach me here. Find me on Instagram. Happy hot rodding.